Everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy Dusty Diesel Technician. This is the part 2 video to my Hyper Tough angle grinder. Okay, in the first video I showed you how to assemble it straight out the box. Now this video we're going to attempt to cut a grade 8 bolt. This was the purpose of me getting this. I couldn't cut a grade 8 bolt with one of my Dremels, so I had to move up and get the big board, see if we can get it off of there for the bigger application. So we're going to hook it up. Over here on my vise, I got a grade 8 bolt in place waiting for the demonstration. Okay, so over here, if you can see the stud here, we have a grade 8 bolt. Okay, I'm gonna adjust my camera so you can see better. Sorry for that. I'm gonna try to find a good angle for you guys. I think that's a little better. Let me see. Yeah, right there. Now this, you can see the 6 slashes. This is a standard grade 8 bolt, so this is very hardened steel, very hardened, high quality steel. Okay. We're going to clamp this down in here and see if we can cut this grade 8 bolt with this angle grinder. I just took this out the box, haven't used it yet, so we're going to see how it works. I have to get my protective goggles. You have to get those. Okay, now I got my goggles on. Safety first. Let's see if we can cut this thing. As I can see, it is cutting it. It is grinding it away. Tighten this bolt down some more. Keep it from moving. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This thing's cutting good. You see that? It's chewing that ball up. Let me see, I wonder if I flip it around. Let me flip it around so I can cut this back side, because it's already really gone. It's already really gone. Once I get it on this side, it should go quickly. Let's see. It's holding on by a string. It's a strong ass bolt. And there she goes. Yeah, so this thing is just what I needed. This is just what I needed. Thanks for watching.